Hello friends, welcome to my channel Think and Write. I'm back with another new video and my today's video topic is 10 lines essay on parrot in English. First of all, I hope you all are fine, good, happy and safe, and as you all know I make one drawing in every video, so here also I have made a drawing of a parrot and now I am going to start writing. First line, parrot is a green bird. Second line, parrot is very attractive in appearance. Third line, many people keep parrots at their home. Fourth line, parrot's feathers are green. Fifth line, the parrot's beak is red. Sixth line, parrot is very famous in making different types of sounds. Seventh line, parrots of different colors are found in other countries. Eighth line, parrots eat fruits, vegetables and leaves. Ninth line, parrots like guava and chili very much. 10th line, parrot is a sensible and intelligent bird. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.